All right, what's going on? So we're going to be going over right now NZDUSD pair. It is August 8th, and we're going to start off from the monthly time frame so that we can see an overall perspective of the market and see what's been going on. All right, so we have a monthly range in this area. I didn't make the total range, but if anything, I'll probably do that right now just so that we can be able to have that. So the way that I'm going to make that range is I'm going to take this monthly right here and this monthly right here, right? 0.73918 minus 0.68306. And the range is a pretty tight range, which I like. And it is 0.0562. Right? And I'm going to stretch this down because I'm pretty sure this is where it's heading towards. All right. I'm going to take this range and subtract it from that right there. 0.68306 minus 0.0512. And this is the one that we came up with, 0.62694. And if you don't know what I just did, if anything, I have a video on here that is called Monthly and Weekly Key Levels. I will definitely review that video. Right. So price, as you can see, hit to this area. If I was to go onto a line chart, you'll see price, hits this area. Pretty smooth. All right. So that's the first one. But what I'm also going to do is I'm going to do weekly key level because that's going to be the first push to that area. So remember, our monthly range is 0.05612, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide that number by 2 to get our weekly, right? 0.2. And again, like if you don't know what I'm doing, if anything, watch my monthly and weekly key level video to see what I'm doing, right? So I'm going to take this monthly right here and I'm going to drag it into the middle, right? And I'm going to change this template to my weekly, right? Template, change this to a weekly template. And I'm going to take that number 0.68306 and I'm going to subtract our weekly number that we came up with, right? So 0.68306 minus 0.02806. Smooth operator, smooth number right here, smooth. And I almost know for sure this is where price is going because price really likes to be around whole numbers like this, 0.665. I almost want to get into a sell right now. All right, so before I just jump, so what I see here, let me go to the monthly time frame and really see what's been going on. So we see, a big push up, big push down, big push up, correction, push up, correction, right? Fibs, point A, point B, 38.2, right? Which is good. Now we see a big push up and then price, if I'm not mistaken, break structure on the monthly time frame. It made its retest, right? Push down, correction. I think it's going to be a continuation of the downtrend for a long time, a long time. Most likely to this monthly. First take profit, second take profit, third take profit. Long time. It's just that the US dollar is really getting strong. I guess, maybe, I don't know. All right, so 300 pips to that one, or the NZD, the New Zealand dollar is going for nothing, right? 560 pips, and then to this one, about 2,000 pips, which would be crazy. That's long term. I could be completely wrong, right? So let's go to the weekly. And obviously it'll take a long time to even get close to that. So what we see here is big push down right here, right? And then we see this correction forming, right? And then boom, 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 boom. As we can see, price has broken structure and is now creating more lows. All right, so from what I've learned from Kisteri is the fact that price is going to do this bounce 5 times. So if anything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price didn't get to this area. It pushed down, and it has broken this trend line area. That doesn't matter if it breaks the trend line, right? Or if it gets to this trend line. That doesn't matter. What does matter is the fact that price pushed down, pushed up, right? Got to our monthly, right? Got to our monthly again, monthly key level, right? Pushed up, and it was like reaching towards 38.2, and it couldn't. And it was doing this for days. I'm pretty sure the market was annoying at that time, right? It was reaching towards this area, and then it got tired, and then just kept on pushing down. Went to that trend line again. Reversed, and it got to the monthly again, right? Got to that monthly time frame. I mean that monthly key level again, right? And then what we see, if I was to put fibs, this is most likely on the H4 time frame that you can do this fibs here, right? The H4 time frame, right? We're gonna put, as we can see, it's already on there. Take this one off so you can see clearly. So H4 time frame, point A, point B, point C, 38.2, hovering, boom, boom, boom. It's not doing it. It's not going up. It ain't doing it. Sorry. It's not passing this area. It tried so many times. The same thing that it did over here, right? It was boom, boom, and it was doing it for so long, and it just got tired and just kept on pushing down. And I think this is an amazing indication that this is where price wants to go. Price wants to push down. If anything, may, because we see on this trend line it pushed up. It may, stop here, and then if anything, start pushing up. I don't know, but it sure as hell wasn't going to push up here. It just wasn't. It really got tired. There's a monthly key level that it's in between this trend line area, and it may start pushing up. It may. It's in an in-between area, right? What I'm looking for on the lower time frame, as we can see here, which is really good, a really good indication. On the hour time frame, we see this this candle being engulfed, right? We see this candle being engulfed, which is great, right? Now let's go back to higher time frames to really see what was going on. We see this is a correction. This is not. See, this is price action moving down. Correction. This is let's go. This is price action moving up, moving down, right? This is like slow moving area, right? Correction moving down, and it's just in a weird area. It's past this monthly key level. I wouldn't be surprised if it's gonna keep on pushing down, but it could push up. I don't know. It's really in a weird state. But what I do know is the fact that point A, point B, 38.2, right? That's one. The only shot that I see, if I was to do on the daily time frame, of this starting to push up. So we have point A, point B, 38.2. So we know this is a lower high, right? Next one would be where price would probably push point A, not point A, but just this. Boom. You see price, this is where price is, it correlates with this monthly, right? Which is great, which is really, really, really good. It's a good good indication. So point A, point B down here now correlates with 38.2. So price may push up to this monthly again and then push down. But that's all I got. I don't see price, because look how far it really pushed down. As far as for now, maybe, you know, in the future, but as far as for now, this big push down, the highest point that I see it going is back to this area right here. I don't see price breaking structure and hitting all the way up, at least for right now. But if anything, it could push up. It could push to this monthly right here. But that's just what I see. You know, that's just what I see right now. So, you know, hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, if anything, let me know. We see a big push up, right? If anything, we'll probably correct back to this trend line, and then from there push up. If anything, I'll probably, you know, just get into a small position right now, and I'll have my stop loss literally like right here, you know, because if it looks down there, whatever, right? But if it starts pushing up, even better, right? NZDUSD, all right? So I greatly appreciate your time. Leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube for future videos that we'll do in the future. If this helps you out, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. And if at any point in time, you know, you think this will help somebody out, and I'm already in profit. If you think this will be able to help anybody out, you know, share this video with somebody. You know, you never know. All right, so I greatly appreciate your time, and let's become an FX pro now.